Hello Xtool owners of the new F1. Had mine for about 6 weeks and I've already trashed the air filter that comes in the air purifier. That bad boy is listed at $109. Me being the budget-minded individual decided to try to fix it. It is not waterproof. You cannot wash it out because it's surrounded by cardboard. But if you look at it, it's got this pleated filter up front that's about 2.5 inches thick. And it's got the same felt looking pad that goes on top. Then it has a layer of activated charcoal to help with the smell while it's working in the smoke. And then I imagine there's another layer of felt, another layer of the pleated filter, and that's the entire shebang. I am going to endeavor to build my own filter for the device, because at $109 every 6 weeks it's going to get too expensive. Hopefully the price will come down with Xtool at some point, but anyway, have a great day.